Good morning! Hi, Tay!
Mabalilo. Yan! Hello.
Morning! Tatay! Carrie, si Carrie wala. May ginagawa pa siyang important. So, ito na naman kami, magka-camping kami sa Easter break. 4 days na tayo.
Oo.
Ano ngayon? April 18 hanggang April 21. So, ang balik namin Monday na. Tapos, 6-hour na drive. Kaya, ano na ngayon? 5:30 a.m. So, yun yung plano namin talaga. Ang plano talaga ni Tatay, 3:30. Pero, hindi siya achievable. So, nagising kami ng 5. Tapos, prepare nung mga frozen stuff. Tapos, yan, alis na dapat kami. Pero si Carrie magto-toilet daw. So, hinihintay namin siya. We have the doggies! Hi, dogs! Hi, dogs! Hi! So, yun. Mamaya naman. So, 8:07. Ang ETA namin, 12 noon. Tapos, nag-stop over lang kami sa McDo para bumili ng coffee. Tapos, para bumili din ng food yung mga kids for breakfast. Tapos, yan si Buddy. Gusto lagi nakadikit kay Tatay. So, yan. Mamaya naman. Inabot kami ng traffic. So, parang 20 minutes to, 12 minutes na lang yung traffic. Tapos, dire-diretso na ulit. Kasi parang meron siyang roadworks. Si Tatay, ayaw niya yung ganito, traffic. Ayan o. Mainit ang ulo. Kakalagpas lang namin sa traffic ngayon. Kami. Nakasali kami doon sa random na RBT. So, ayan. Kakainis. There. So, siguro pang-4 kami.
Hi, how are you?
Going to do a roadside road test with a license check. Do you have your license handy, sir?
I have it on my phone.
Okay, can you show it to me, please?
Sure.
Have you had any alcohol in the last 12 hours?
No.
Oh, okay, so now requires just a breath for a breath test. Flash mouth over mouthpiece, blow continuous until I say stop. Deep breath and blow. That's it. Thank you, sir.
We are getting food for lunch.
So, what did we order?
I get hot dog. Kuya gets hot dog. You chicken burger and Tatay cheese.
Okay, what time na ba?
Huh?
It's 1:07. So, take away and then we'll go to camping.
Straight.
Yeah. Andito na kami sa wakas. So, tinake away na lang namin yung mga binili naming food. Ngayon si Tatay nag-check-in. Tapos, nandito na yung dalawa naming friends. Nag-set up na sila. So, yun. Check-in. Tapos, na kami. Mag-set up. Pero, kain muna kami. Yan. Na-stress naman yung mga dogs kasi umalis si Tatay. Nag-check-in. You're fine. Eating time.
She was actually playing.
Nagsiset up na sila. Mga early birds. Si TJ yung grabe. History talaga yun.
Lagi daw siya maaga.
Lagi ba maaga?
Morning pa nga si
Yan, eating time, burger and hot dog.
Found out. Say hi. Hi.
Zara, sagad ko.
And you say hi.
Ha?
And you say hi.
Gan. Tapos.
I want to it.
Yan. After 2 hours, nakaset up na din kami. Mali kasi yung setup namin ng tent. Basta, flimsy kanina.
Because of the window.
Hi, Maya.
That's probably like something strong.
Also,
guys, why can't we explore the area? Let's go.
Yeah, go. Explore the area.
Wait, we can?
Why not? Don't be too far. Go, dogs. Inside. Inside. No, please, 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 please. Bilis na. Let's go. Uy. Dogs. Come here. Wait, 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 wait. Buddy. Do na. Oh, go. Dogs. Buddy, come on. Come. Ayos ah. Dito ako sa ano? Sa dog park nila. Ang laki. Go, 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 go. Go. What? Yeah. Go.
Tapos na yung room. Pero kulang yung ano kahit charge ko. Kulang yung pump.
Ah, okay.
Nakasaing na magpiprito na lang. And then yung light.
Imagine that they did that to you.
Camping
How's
day.
it?
Hello.
Hello.
Get out of the way. Camping day.
Hello.
Uno, dos, tres,
Be quiet. Breaking news. Channel on. Today's channel, camping. Camping is goodbye. Hi. Can I record?
No, ako na. Bilis. Go, go, go.
Can you put it back inside, please? In the container.
No, 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 Shh, no, no, no. Shh. Ayan, dinner time na. Nay, anong ano? Ito ang dinner namin.
Yeah, for dinner. Lumpia. Ah, diba? Lumpia kami.
Should we hide behind the tent?
Yes.
Yeah. At least it's in the dark. Hello.
I'm gonna.
Hi, buddy.
Hey.
Naubos ninda? Good job! Ayo. Ganda mo itong last camping. Binabag mo man ito. Tinay ka ka.
Go.
Done eating?
Treat. Treat up here. Treat. Auntie, go. Can we light up the fire now, please? I'm Jackson, and we hereby have to light up the fire. Light up the fire. Light up the.
Tomorrow I'll
Do not light up the fire. Light up the fire.
Maybe tomorrow. Because tonight we need to rest early. Balloon.
Again.
I need to be like a
Addy.
crazy. Look a.
Crazy. God.
Can I come out? Go.
Ready.
Okay.
Malamang maaga naman na.
Okay, wait, watch me move.
I'm doing them.
Okay, maybe not that one. Oh, buddy!
Sausage. Stay back. Go down to the line. Go behind the tail.
Parang kami lagi lang right now.
That didn't count. Yeah, okay, ready?
Baka
You out.
Relax na pa.
Oh no, you failed this one.
You have to do it quick. You have to do it
Go.
quick.
How do you move?
No, I'm holding it.
You
failed this round. Go.
You have to do it quick. Wait, guys, can I try one?
After birth, after birth, the baby can only see one color.
Come like right now, like when they're born.
Yeah, when they're born, they can only see one color.
can't do that! Stop!
No.
Ayan, tapos na kami maligo. Tapos, magnanay na. So, nagdo-toilet yung mga kids. Wiwi, tapos sleeping time. Kailangan ni tatay mag-sleep. 5 a.m. nagising.
Ha?
Sa'yo, kailangan mo mag-sleep.
Yeah.
5 a.m. ka nagising.
Ano na to? Oh.
Are you gonna record the dog?
Ito, first night namin. Andito ang dog sa labas. Makita ko. Pero mamaya, baka pumasok lang naman sila. Hello. Mamaya na. Not yet. Not yet. And the kids, ilawan mo. Hi, kids.
Hi.
Ikaw, Nay.
Nandito kami. Tada!
Boys,
Hello.
Tapos,
ilawan mo sinda.
Ngayon dyan balcony na.
Japan.
What did you do today?
We're doing a championship of a board game tomorrow.
We did color brain.
Yeah, color brain.
So, what's
Who
your
won?
most favorite today?
Huh?
Who won?
What's your most favorite
Everything. I
activity?
like it here.
Okay. Pero
Nice.
tayo, his foot is swollen again because he run.
Okay. Ay, naku.
Can I see? I saw it.